Introducing the all-new BLUETTI Balco Series, an integrated solution that turns balcony solar into a complete home energy system. Plug-and-play design, set up in just minutes. For your everyday electricity needs. Wireless units connect as one, powering your home together or apart. Energy flows where it's needed, when it's needed. No waste, just smarter power. More solar, less bills. Save up to 1,632 euros every year. Powered by AI EMS, it predicts your solar and optimizes it automatically. Remote or local, always in control. Secure, private, always connected. Meet S-Meter, the first magnetic smart meter. Fast install, perfectly matched, zero waste. S1 Smart Plug, power device by device, right where it's needed. Up to 2,300 watts bi-directional power. Run high-demand appliances, fully compliant. Connect solar for up to 2,400 watts per unit. Scale to 14.4 kilowatts wirelessly. 96.1% efficient. Less waste, more power used. Quiet. Self-heating. Expandable up to 5 expansion batteries to maximize solar storage. Balco Series offers different solutions to suit your individual needs. From a simple balcony solar system to a high-power whole home storage solution. Last but not least, Balco Transfer Hub. Turn any power station into a balcony solar system. From cell to system, every layer is protected with intelligent monitoring and safety mechanisms working together to keep your home safe. BLUETTI Balco Series. Balcony power reimagined.